All right, Asphalt 99 fam, let's get into it. For years, the Dodge Charger was simple. Big V8 up front, smoke out the back. It was the definition of American muscle. Well, that book is closed. This is the 2025 Dodge Charger Daytona. It's electric. It weighs almost 6,000 pounds, and it might just be the heaviest, most complicated, and fastest Charger ever built. Let's break down the data. First, the specs, because the numbers are just raw. This new Charger is launching exclusively as an EV. It's using Stellantis' new 400-volt architecture, and the battery is an absolute behemoth, 100.5 kilowatt hours. To put that in perspective, that is a massive pack, and it needs to be, because it's powering two electric motors, one on each axle, for standard all-wheel drive. Now, the performance figures. The launch RT model gives you 496 horsepower. Fine, but the one we all care about is the Scat Pack. This isn't your old 392. The new electric Scat Pack, with its PowerShot overboost feature, generates 670 horsepower. But the real story is the torque, 627 pound-feet, and it's all available at 0 RPM. The 0 to 60 sprint is claimed at 3.3 seconds. The quarter mile, 11.5 seconds. Let's pause. An 11.5 second quarter mile is fast, but it comes at a tremendous cost: mass. The car weighs 5,838 pounds. That is not a typo. It is a fundamental betrayal of the muscle car ethos. Or is it? The original muscle cars were heavy, crude, straight-line missiles. Maybe this is just the 21st century version of that. But 5,800 pounds will impact everything: braking, cornering, and especially tire life. Dodge had to fit this thing with the biggest tires ever put on a Charger, with 305s in the front and 325s in the rear on the Scat Pack. It needs that much rubber just to cope. Let's move to features. The design is interesting. It's a two-door coupe first, with a four-door coming. It has a 126-inch wheelbase, which is identical to the old car, but the styling is new. The most controversial and brilliant part is the front R-wing. This is a pass-through spoiler on the front bumper. Air goes in the front and gets ducted up and over the hood. Dodge claims this adds significant downforce and pays homage to the original Charger Daytona's massive rear wing. It's a clever bit of aero that also gives the car a unique face. Inside, the interior is finally modern. The old Charger interior was ancient. This new one gets a 12.3-inch center screen, a digital cluster up to 16 inches, and aggressive modern styling. A huge plus is the new hatchback design. The trunk opening is now massive, making this a surprisingly practical machine. So, let's weigh the pros and cons from a performance perspective. Pro, the acceleration is violent. 670 horsepower and instant torque will beat almost anything off the line. Con, the weight. I have to say it again. 5,838 pounds. This is not a track car. This is a drag strip brawler and a highway missile. The handling will be defined by computers and tires, not agility. Pro, the engineering is smart. The R-wing for downforce, the massive battery for decent range, hopefully, and the hatchback for practicality. Con, the sound. It has a Fratsonic chambered exhaust. It's a speaker in a box that tries to sound like a V8. It's fake, and for many purists, that is the ultimate sin. It's a gimmick, and it's a loud one. And for the purists who just threw up in their mouth, there is a silver lining. In 2025, Dodge is releasing the 6-pack version. This model rips out the EV components and shoves in a 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six, the Hurricane engine. It will come in two flavors, 420 horsepower and a high-output 550 horsepower. This will likely be lighter and feel more traditional. So, Dodge is hedging its bets. So, what is the verdict? The 2025 Charger Daytona is a technological marvel and a philosophical crisis. It's forcing us to ask what a muscle car even means. Is it the sound, or is it the brute force? Dodge is betting on brute force. We cover the real performance data here on Asphalt 99. No fluff. If you want the real numbers, the track times, and the no BS analysis when this thing drops, you need to be subscribed. Hit the button. You won't regret it.